ECU reset. There is what is ECU reset? As you are aware of the third tutorial of our shop, you can easily understand what is ECU reset. ECU reset is nothing but a general reset. What we can use the restart your mobile, you can do restart your PC, everything you can do. So that is what ECU reset is, a similar way of resetting the ECU. That is you can do in many ways, but moreover you have to understand all the reset will be done by using external tool. Why? Because the what are the command will send for the ECU reset or whatever reset, the command will be out of the particular circuit. Because if the circuit gets tracked upon, or if any user intentionally want to do the ECU to be reset, so he want to trigger the ECU reset. So the ECU reset will trigger externally, because it will not involve into the processor, which means the reset will completely reset the processor and not itself. So it is somewhat complicated to understand, but it is very easy. Just I'm simply telling, like, I'm a reset and you are a processor. I want to do reset to you, so I'm external command, I can do reset yours. But if I'm with you, it is very hard to do reset, and it is not at all possible also. So that's it. And as of now, we just understand ECU reset is nothing but restart the ECU. Then ECU reset, see, once you do ECU reset, first you will get a message that is a positive response, then the machine will automatically reset. So in real time scenario, all the ECUs have the reset option. So you want to check in testing environment, that is the particular reset option is working fine or not. So you are not only testing with the only one way, you are testing the all possible scenarios. That is the main purpose of the ECU reset. Purpose is to restart the control unit, that is ECU. So depending on the control unit hardware and implementation, different forms of reset can be used. So this is what I said, there are many ways to do reset. Here in UDS language, we can tell it as a sub functions. It's a reset. ECU reset is a function, and within that some sub functions are there. So first one is hard reset, second one is key off on reset. So here you have to just remember, it is a key off on and key not on off. Some people familiar with key on off, it is not on off. If the sequence is key off on only, it will be reset, else it is not a reset. So you are just switching off the ECU, then again you are on the ECU, that is what key off on. Then soft reset, enable rapid power shutdown, then disable rapid power shutdown, then some reserved sub functions. So I guess if you are aware of ECU reset, you may somewhat aware of hard reset, key off on, and soft reset, but enable rapid power shutdown and disable rapid power shutdown may not be aware. So anyhow, we'll look on this tutorial. See, this the left side is a tester and right side is a ECU. So you are 211 and one is a ECU reset with the subfunction 1, that is a hard reset. So the response also, you are getting the response 51 and 1. Okay, see, this is the response to 51 and 1. I guess if you are somewhat aware in the previous tutorial what is 2, you know 2 is nothing but the PCI length, 11 is nothing but the service ID, then 1 is nothing but the sub function supported. Sub function is a hard reset. So for the positive response you are getting is 251 and 1. 2 is nothing but again PCI length, 51 is a positive response, and 1 is again reset. So see, 1 is a hard reset, then PCI length is 2, then positive response is 51. So this was the hard reset of the sub function we considering as a 101. Then second sub function key off on, again it's a tester, then ECU. So it's a 2, 11 and 2, that is again same. 2 is a PCI length, 11 is a service ID, and again 2 is a sub function. So why I am repeating again and again, so it will somewhat, if you listen more and more, you will get by heart automatically. You don't want to read and write for a number of times. So subfunction, supported subfunction is a key off on, that is 0 2. Yes. Then psi length is 2 again. Then positive response you will get is 51. So this is what the request and response frame for key off on. Then the third subfunction is soft reset. So the request is again 2 11 3. 3 is nothing but the soft reset, that is subfunction is 3. Then it's a positive response 2, and you are getting the positive response 51 with the PCI length 2, with the 0 3 as a subfunction, that is soft reset. See, subfunction soft reset is 0 3. Then PCI length is 0 2. Then positive response is 51, that is 11 plus 40, there is a 51. It's a soft reset. The same way you are getting, but just be focused here, you may get small change. See, 2 11 4. So you know 2 is PCL length and 11 is a service ID and 4 is a sub function, that is enable rapid pardon. See, here you are getting one more PCI byte, one more byte. So 3, the PCI length is 3 because here you are getting 3 bytes of data. 51 is a positive response, 4 is a sub function, and 0 6 is nothing but the, see, power sorry. So okay, so 0 6 is nothing but the time, standby time. So that is what I have mentioned. So after 6 seconds the rapid power shutdown should happen. So that is what the difference here I have mentioned. So this is what the enable rapid power shutdown. Then so once you enable, right, so you want to disable, that is what your main thing you want to disable. See, it's the fifth sub function. So for disabling you will not get any time, standby time, so you can just disable. Okay, so now people to understand moreover the why do I ask you to subscribe. The main reason is we are just trying to go to some workshop, a real-time workshop like a Volvo or a BMW or Audi, so some of the service station, and we are trying to capture the how the unified diagnostics or onboard diagnostics or remote diagnostics, how they are using in real-time view. So once if you watch the real-time stuff, it will be very useful for you to read, or it will be very useful for you to work under the testing environment or developing environment. So that will happen once the channel reaches 2k subscribers. That's what I'm spreading you to share and subscribe, because we need certain standard to approach them. So the basic standard is at least 2000 followers. If we have, then people ready to market their product. So that's the one reason we are asking to subscribe. So you can please share and subscribe, click a like button if you like, and please be stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials on unified diagnostic services, as well as in the other sections like snack time with techie or can or another embedded stuffs also. So around 4 sections have been divided in this channel, so 4 will be helpful for you, and you can please share this to your college students also, whoever studying, your relatives or friends, that the 2 minute snack with techie will be very useful for the college students or engineering graduates. So bye bye, catch you in next video.